I've learned how to make money with affiliate marketing in 3 distinct stages as a complete beginner, and I didn't even speak very good English. And in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through what are these 3 stages and how you can utilize them for your own success. And hopefully this video inspires you and give you the right path on how you can start earning money with affiliate marketing. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ross, and I was one of the first guys to bring affiliate marketing and ClickBank to Pinterest. And I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on Pinterest promoting affiliate offers. In fact, I'm the owner of the biggest affiliate marketing and ClickBank community on Facebook with more than 40,000 members, and it's called ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. So what I'm about to share with you is something that is proven, that is tested throughout the years, and it's not fluff or theory. These are actionable steps that I actually took myself to get from zero to a couple of thousands of dollars on a daily basis in affiliate commissions. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that anyone can do this. I'm just gonna give you the path that I took in order to be successful with affiliate marketing. And one of the best advices I can give you right now is that you should take affiliate marketing as your pivot, and this should be your starting stage. And then once you start making money with affiliate marketing, you should always diversify your financial portfolio. For example, this is what I did. I started with affiliate marketing, then I migrated to lead generation, then to CPA marketing, then I opened a couple of dropshipping e-commerce stores, then I started my own software SaaS, and now I have a team that actually manages everything that I have, like all my business endeavors, but the starting point was affiliate marketing. So here are the 3 stages that showed me how to make money with affiliate marketing. The first one was to figure it out what works. Now, back in the day when I was starting out, it was 2012, 2013, and it was very difficult to find what works. Nowadays, you have the Facebook ads library. On the Facebook ads library, you can actually log in and start looking for affiliate offers, and you can find advertisers or affiliates who are already promoting specific affiliate offers, and you can learn what is already working. On top of that, there are a bunch of softwares like Spy Tools that you can use. Of course, they're paid. For example, I'm using Spy Hero, which is about $150 a month, which is kind of expensive if you're just buying it as a software. But if you think about it as a business asset, it's not that expensive, because what Spy Hero is gonna give you is gonna show you other affiliates and how they are running their affiliate offers. It's gonna show you their ads, their copyright, is gonna show you their landing pages, and landing pages is also /website. Back in the day, I had to contact people directly. So what I used to do is I would find an affiliate offer that I like, either on ClickBank or Digistore24 or CJ Affiliate. There are a bunch of affiliate networks. So these are called affiliate networks where you can find affiliate offers to promote. So what I would do back in the day, I would reach out to each affiliate offer vendor or owner. This is the person that owns the affiliate offer, and I would ask them directly, hey, I'm going to promote your offer, I want to succeed, and I want to make you money. So it was always the proposition, not I want to make money, but I want you to make money. So basically, it's kind of a reverse psychology. It's kind of a sales pitch where I tell the vendor, like, hey man, or hey girl, I want to make you money, but please give me a hand, help me out. And you know, each and every vendor, all of these vendors, they would never say no because they want to make money. So they would ask, okay, what do you need? I'm willing to help you if you're gonna make me money, right? It's a win-win situation. So I would tell them, hey, can you send me what works for you? What works for your other affiliates? Because 99% of the time, these affiliate vendors or offer owners, they already know what other affiliates are using and how other affiliates are promoting their offers. 50-50 chance that they're gonna send you some materials, and this is what back in the day used to work for me. I used to ask them to give me something that is working. Nowadays, like I said, you can go to Spy Hero, or if you don't want to pay for that, you can go to Facebook ads library and start typing the keywords related to the offer you want to promote. For example, we have Ted's Woodworking on ClickBank. We have Prime Biome. This is a nutrition offer. We have Aqua Scooped. We have many other offers as well. So this is the first stage, to start getting your feet wet, to start looking what is working, what people are promoting, what has the most traction. And you can actually see that by checking how many ads a specific offer has on Facebook. In Spy Hero, it's very easy. You can check the amount or the number of ads certain offer has, and the more ads an offer has, that means the more affiliates are promoting it, which means people are making money. That's why they're setting up a lot of ads. And respectively vice versa is also true if there are less ads, meaning the offer is not performing because there are less people promoting it. Now the second stage is to start actually getting involved in the process. And what I did back in the day, I started two things. I created my own blog about gardening, and I started writing about different gardening techniques, how to grow your own vegetables, how to grow your own tomatoes, organic or bio cucumbers, potatoes, etc. And I started filling up the blog with affiliate offers. But because having a blog takes a lot of time, I was impatient, and I decided instead of waiting, because I already waited for like 2 months and I was like, I don't see the results I want to see, even though it's free, because back in the day I didn't have a lot of money. I mean, in fact, I was broke and I was working a 9-to-5 job. So I didn't want to wait, but respectively, I didn't want to lose money, but I didn't want to wait. So I was impatient, and what I did is I started paid advertising. I started with small amount of ads. I mean, not small amount of ads, but I started with small budgets, let's say $10, $15 a day on Facebook ads. And what I did is I started duplicating what I told you in the beginning of this video, what was already working. So I would find a working ad for someone or a specific offer, and I would mimic it. I'm not gonna copy it word by word, but I would take it as an example, and then I would start setting up my own version of this ad. I'm gonna create my own website landing page. And yeah, back in the day I had to learn how to create a website. Nowadays it's very easy. You have so many page builders, you even have AI can help you out to build a website with a couple of clicks. That was my second stage, getting involved in the process, seeing what works, learning about what is CPC, CTR, or how many clicks I have to get in order to get the sale. Audiences. 2 years ago, you had to manually insert the audience in the Facebook Ads Manager, meaning you had to manually tell Facebook which people are your right audience. Let's say I was promoting a gardening offer, right? So I had to tell Facebook, hey, find me homeowners, because homeowners probably gonna have gardens, but not all homeowners, because some homeowners have apartments, they don't have gardens. So I had to layer, they should be homeowners, they should be house owners, they should live in the countryside, they should have backyards, they should be involved in backyard activities, etc., etc. So all this layering I had to do manually. Nowadays, Facebook uses AI, and you don't even have to bother with this. You just set up your ads without targeting. Facebook does the job for you based on keywords. You just have to insert just a couple of keywords in your ad copy. Facebook finds the perfect people for your ad. And I actually started getting here and there 1 sale, 2 sales, which was amazing. For me, it was like, dude, I'm getting sales. That's proof of concept. I mean, I'm fine with it. I mean, I was like blown away. I was like, okay, this works. I mean, I have 1 sale. Even 1 sale a day for me was like, wow, this works, man. I was happy. I was extremely happy. But here comes the third stage. I was not sure what I'm doing. I was still, you know, I had my own campaigns, but I was not aware of what I'm doing or where I'm going. So the third stage was for me to find a mentor who has already done it and who could grab my hand and show me the process on how to go from 1 sale a day to 10 sales a day to 15 sales a day to 50 sales a day. This is where I started looking for mentors, and luckily I found 2 mentors which became my friends and business partners actually till this day. I'm very happy for them. And this actually, the third stage, is very important for any one of you. Not only if you're starting affiliate marketing, but if you're starting any type of business. Stage number 3 is finding mentor/networking. Networking with people who are above you, not the same level as you. You need to find people who are way more successful than you and ask them to be your mentors. Back in the day it was extremely difficult. Nowadays we have communities, free communities, paid communities. For example, we have my community that I showed you in the beginning of the video, the ClickBank Affiliate Marketing Facebook community. I also have a paid community, which is on Skool.com. I'm not trying to sell you anything, by the way. I mean, it's completely up to you. You can join the ClickBank community if you want to learn more stuff. But if you want to speed up the process, the paid community is the way to go. And that's not only with affiliate marketing. That's anything business related. If you want to speed up the process, probably you heard the saying, money follow money. So if you want to make money, you have to spend a little bit of money. Or if you don't want to spend money, you have to spend time. Either one of these two. Back in the day, I used to pay thousands of dollars for mentoring. 5K, 7K. $1,000. You usually pay a mentor a huge amount of money, like 5-10K, for these 10%. But these 10% are what makes the difference between $100 a day and $1,000 a day, which is a very huge gap. Let me know in the comments below if you like these type of videos, the talking head videos where I'm showing you what I did, how I did it, and I can continue with these videos. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like the information. Let me know where you're at right now in your journey. Have you started any affiliate campaigns, or probably you've tried some drop shipping or SMMA? Or let me know in the comments below what you're trying to achieve, where you're at, what kind of businesses have you started or you haven't started. I want to get to know you. Let's network here. Like I said, it's all about networking. Say hi in the comments, introduce yourself, because not only me, but other affiliates or other successful people in the comments below can comment on your comment, and you can get connected and you can actually connect with each other. All right, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video where I'm gonna explain another money-making technique right here. You can watch this video right here in the corner, and I'll see you there.